As the Russian invasion continues, millions around the world are looking for ways to lend support to Ukraine.
Unable to be there on the ground, supporters are finding ingenious methods of helping thanks to the internet. Correspondent Marky Martin has a story.
Russia out of Ukraine!
The power of the internet on full display around the world. People getting creative during the crisis to help those in need.
Just trying to find a way to help out a tiny way with the Ukraine situation. So I rented a room on Airbnb and then let them know I wasn't coming to use the room just to try and get some cash in their hands.
This gesture, not so tiny. Thousands renting Airbnbs in Ukraine with no intention of showing up in order to get money directly to families who need it. Airbnb's CEO sharing this weekend that in 48 hours, more than 61,000 bookings had been made, almost $2 million straight to hosts. The rental company not profiting, waiving all of its fees. E-commerce giant Etsy canceling all balances owed to them by Ukrainian sellers. Global buyers ordering goods and crafts, not wanting the deliveries. Type in Ukraine on the site, 95,000 results.
I've been an Amazon seller for more than 10 years. I've never seen anything like this. It's crazy to see the trend lines.
Stephen Pope is an Amazon expert and says he's seen trends come and go before, but not like this.
So for perspective here, we're talking hundreds of thousands of Ukraine flags being sold in less than 7 days.
He says 2 weeks ago, a Ukrainian flag wouldn't have even been in the top 100,000 items on Amazon. Now, they're everywhere, from Denver to Los Angeles, where rally-goers were draped in them.
I've seen fidget spinners, I've seen chess sets when Queen's Gambit came out, but I've never seen a geopolitical event cause like an entire community of people, an entire society of people, quite frankly, just all rush on Amazon and buy some flags.
Marky Martin, KTLA 5 News.